We have a rectangle bounded by the x-axis and a semicircle. We want to find the area A of the rectangle as a function of x. So for any point here on the semicircle, we know that it's x comma y. Now the height specifically for this rectangle is y, which y is the square root of 25 minus x squared. So we can represent this point as x comma 25 minus x squared. Here x represents the distance in the positive x-axis. So from the center to the side, to the base. Okay. So now similarly, by symmetry, this should also be x. Okay. So the total base now is going to be 2x. And the height, well, the heights are going to be the same. It's going to be the square root of 25 minus x squared. The area is base times height. So we're just going to multiply these and get 2x times the square root of 25 minus x squared. Now let's look at the domain. The only issue here is having a square root of a negative. Okay, so I don't want this inside to be less than 0. So in other words, we don't want 25 minus x squared less than 0. That means 25 has to be less than x squared. Okay. We don't want this. In other words, well, when is x squared greater than 25? We know that y equals x squared looks like this. At 25, it's going to be 5 and negative 5. So any points to the left of negative 5 and to the right of 5 is going to give us a value that's bigger than 25. And that's going to make this inside negative. So we have to make sure that x has to be between negative 5 and 5 to ensure that the square root of the inside, or the 25 minus x squared, will be greater than or equal to 0. So the domain is square bracket negative 5 to 5.